Hi, welcome to EWheels University. I'm your instructor, Andy Barnes. And today I'm going to show you how to assemble the M34 in just a couple easy steps. So I know you're really excited to get your scooter delivered, and I want to let you know that when your scooter arrives, it's going to show up in a big brown box like this. But don't worry. Because our scooters are made to be easily disassembled for travel, that means it's a snap to assemble them. Take a look. So the first thing you're going to do is take the scooter out of the box and set all the pieces to one side. You may need a little help lifting the main assembly out of the box. Next, pull the pin from the seat post frame. Then loosen the knob and rotate fastener. To install the battery, make sure to align the battery contact points. To secure into place, move the fastener over the battery and tighten knob. Now it's time for the seat. Place the seat post into the seat post frame. Then insert pin to secure in place. Then add the seat. To add armrests, unfold and insert into opening located under the seat. Tighten knob to secure and repeat for other side. Last but not least, slide the basket into place. There you go, easy peasy. Now you're ready to get on the road and enjoy your new scooter. Hey, don't forget, you can see more tutorials just like this one on EWheels University. I'm your instructor, Andy Barnes, and I'll see you next time. Bye.